We are Edusoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, today we will discuss about an advanced material option in 3ds Max. Using double-sided material option in 3ds Max, you can assign different material to the front and back faces of an object. Go to Compact Material Editor and active a sample slot. Click the standard button and choose the double-sided and click OK. Now a replace material dialog box is appeared on the screen. Here I am selecting discard all material option from this dialog box. Click OK. Under parameter tab, we can define the facing material and the back material. Here we can specify the object material, color and texture. To create and apply material, please refer our previous video tutorial. Apply facing material. Diffuse color OK. Go to parent and apply back material on diffuse color. OK. Then assign this material to the object. We will get the final finishing results only after the running. Facing material and back material. This is the double-sided material. Okay, thanks for watching this video.